I shouting? Welcome to my channel. My name is Princess Natural. I do have videos, blah 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 lifestyle. Today we're gonna do hair. Obviously, I'm really enjoying doing hair videos, and of late I'm enjoying filming videos for you people. So will you please subscribe? Just show some appreciation, okay? Yeah, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how I style my twist out. I know in some areas the twists are gone. Yeah, it looks crusty right now. I was expecting it to flake, but though if you haven't watched that video about me using Eco Styler making my twist, I'll be sure to link it up in the iCards. Okay, and be sure to watch it and be familiar with what I'm going to do today. And so today, I'm going to style this into 10 different styles if time will allow me. I'll do, and the one you will like, be sure to comment down below in the comment section which one is your favorite, and I'll be glad to tell you that I enjoyed all of them. So let's get into this, okay? Get into this game. So my style number one is a simple afro, and we are going to flap it, fluff, hey, fluff. This is, I think, day 3 since I did this twist, and oh my goodness, it is flaking. Like I'm having powder all over me right now, but I don't care. We have to film this video. So that is style number one. Style number one is done, and style number two, I'm going to pin one side. That is style number two, done. Style number two, done. Style number three. That is style number two, done. Style number three. Style number four. Half up, half down hairstyle. That is style number four. Style number five. I'm sorry if you see the light changing. I'm actually using natural light, so bear with me, okay? I feel cute in this one.
Don't mind those faces I was making. I was feeling extra, extra cute. I used two black shoelaces actually. You can use any other string that you have, but I use what I have. And this one and the previous ones are my best because they make me look so cute. Comment down below which one will be your favorite. I don't know why I love doing like that. Outcome of feeling cute. Right now, as you can see, my hair looked so straight, no more curl pattern, and that is normal because it was after 5 days since I did the twist. I hope you've been able to see those powder on my shoulder. It was flaking, serious flaking. Just imagine if it could be fully curled. Just imagine that. So cute. That was water that I sprayed to make my work simpler. And this is the most common hairstyle, puffs, pineapple, whatever you may call them. It's a day-to-day hairstyle. You can do it each and every day. If you see me dancing, I'm just being extra because I'm feeling extra cute. This is just one band, flat twist. You can do two where you divide at the center or at the side. I didn't have the time. I just decided to do only 10 hairstyles. There are a million and one hairstyles you can do on your head. You just have to be creative and see what fits your face. Or you can just try anyway. No harm in trying. A flat twist is always a go for those who do not know how to cornrow. But if you don't know how to do a flat twist too, YouTube is there for you. Just search and learn with an open mind. I keep brushing my edges because they're so stubborn. So cute! It's so beautiful. You need to have to learn how to make your own hair. It makes you learn how to appreciate yourself, boost your self-esteem, boost your confidence, all that, you begin to love yourself even more and more. This being our last hairstyle, I want to thank you for this far that you've come with me, watching this video to the end. Your time is so precious to me and I appreciate it so much from the bottom part of my heart. You pin them down. Actually, I fear pins because I feel like they don't make me comfortable. They end up giving me headaches, so I minimize the number of hairstyles or the number of pins I can use on my head. Comment down below if you feel the same way, because I know I'm not alone. Those are normal cuffs. You can use the gold ones or the silver ones. I chose the silver ones. You can get them from the nearest hair store you have, or even a normal shop. At this point, hey, let me tell you, my neighbor was outside and I just couldn't talk and I began using signs. I don't know what I was trying to say. I don't know actually, you guys. See, I was trying to tell you to subscribe. Did you see those signs? Kindly subscribe and bye. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.